Kaseng Mih Pyrthei ka bathamai ka KAM lani ka kam kalapun bana ha kalai pui tereng mentau banai bakala jid ikong 1 Kharsyntiew kum ka kertong ka banyakun na 16 Shillong constituency hakani ki election MLA haja arpulai. Ikong Kharsyntiew ide ibasong basa hamal ki bat ibala pau bharu haki kam ki banyakun na kabenta ka hok jong ki nong tre yeng brio. Ini long kami ibala tre yakani ka kam menta la khat pras nem. Ilong bawat la ke jela Meghalaya kala kenjo ka san post nem ke jingyo la ke jong ke jela hindre kampat doni ki an ki ban yada ye ki nong tre bela.
I have been involved in a social movement working with grassroots level people called the domestic workers for the past 18 years. I myself, in fact, I would say that even though educated, I have experienced all types of working. I have also experienced working personally myself as a domestic worker. Recently, during the past COVID, I have assisted my mother to help in the work as hawking because she's selling things in a small shop in Malki. So these are all the experience that I've been going through personally by myself, and at the same time working together with the people for the past 18 years. I have realized that many of the rights of the working class has been stolen. The working class, workers' rights, till now, we are in the 50th years already of Meghalaya. But till now, we have seen that there is not even a single law that has been implemented by the government of Meghalaya in favor of the unorganized sector workers, in favor of the laborers. Laborers are suffering. We have the only single board which is working here, that is the Construction Workers Welfare Board. And we have also seen that the awareness regarding the benefits of registering under this board is not being given properly to the people. Through my house visit campaign for this election, I have come to know that very few people they know about the existence of the board, and very few people they know about the benefits of registering themselves in the board. That means here I feel that the government has at one part failed to rightly implement the schemes or the welfare schemes which is meant for the poor and the downtrodden, especially the unorganized sector workers.
Ikong Angela rangat par ibalong iwe ne ki kertong iban yakune ki election MLA haja arpulai nagani ga ju kaseng Mih Pyrthei ilong bakani kaseng jongki kan yeng bat kan tre na kabenta banya le persha ik jingbam sap bat ki kambian
nga kwa ban ong tangkat ni ba ikong wan penhun Kharsyntiew ide ibal adap dia ka pulih putih ka jong i bat ibadon ka jing start ka jing nang jing start ndai shu e ka jing nang jing start idon ya ka jing champang bat ka ne ka jing champang ka wan na ka jing ya trei kam bat ki pat ba da ki pau snem ila adon hamadan ban ya kun na banta ki hok ubabun bat kum hakani ka por menta ba ade ka por election pinyo sngo ya baro ba ki kran ya ki ju teng sngo kum ba baro ki candidate ki long kum ju na baro ki ong i persha e ka corruption ndai nga kwa ban ong khamtam ya ki nong song snong jong ka jela bat khamtam ya ki nong song snong jong ka 16 east ba habang ki kran corruption ne abuse of power habaki khlai kita ki tin ni haban bishar hato haka yat ka yeng jong kitu ki breu ki balong ba kran ni kata ki dei shisha ki breu ki ba yat hakalenti ka ba bet ka ba biang ki balong shisha ki ba persha yang kata ka bamsap yang kata ka corruption ni haban bishar om tang haka yat ka yeng jong ki ta ki breu ki ba kran persha ka bamsap to ki biang ndre haka public life jong ki ru hato kadon kadak kashin bakadau bakila ban klei bakilong persa ka bangsa ne kam ka jam pade inyom ka bangsa bat kumbila kadau ikong wan penhun Sengosi baka jela jongi jing bon ki isu. Ndre bon sen kinong mi khmat kim shim khia ya kini ki isu. Ba dena kata kadaw baka jing sa adin menta jong ka Meghalaya jong kini ki constituencies ro. Kam long shu ka ba ngila ban khabrip ki khmat bat ya klem de le ai. Bat kade ka ne kadaw ka ba ka kam kum karansan ka yeng Pynieng kun ya kini election ban wan bat kumi ong i kong wan penhun ro kadi kani hi kadaw ka ba penwan i shakhmat ban ra ki kam ki jam ki ba ila ju le lupa ndrei sakawai kani karansan ban kampen scam ban penjari kini ki kam ki jam namar ladang im kren ladang im yeng menta kad ap sisa ka jingma ya ka jela ka jongi